Okay, in this video we're checking out the Xinlehong 9136. Yeah, an unusual name here for another RC car. 1/16 scale, got brushed motors, well, one brushed motor, and it has a 2-cell, I think it's a 800 milliamp hour LiPo, and so it runs off a LiPo, not a lithium ion. Pretty lightweight, nice suspension, squishy tires, so ought to perform pretty grippy in these grass and concrete conditions. Typical pistol grip remote with your steering and throttle trims. Uses 3 AA batteries. All basic stuff here. What's interesting about this one here is that it looks like it's pretty high quality, but the price is pretty low. It's about $50 right now, I believe. I think that's actually the regular price, so it might be cheaper if it's on flash sale. Anyway, go ahead and we'll take this for a spin, see how it performs. So, pretty good steering and slower speeds. If you speed it up, just spin out. Brakes work pretty good. Yeah, braking is really good. It's pretty low center of gravity on this low profile, so it's going to be difficult to flip over, I think, which is going to be good for beginners. All right, let's do a full speed to the other corner. Forward and backwards about the max, same speed. See if I can get it to spin out right in front of this other camera. Alright, so you gotta let off the throttle and then turn the steering wheel hard over. And it'll come to that skidding stop. Pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, so I'm not sure how I did that. Let's see. That's pretty hard to reproduce, it looks like. Not sure I did that. Now, let's see how it does in the grass. No problems. There's some thicker grass over here. Yeah, it's struggles a little bit more in the thicker stuff. Oh, looks like I got something stuck in the, nope, did it come out? Looks like something is stuck in the wheel, maybe. Looks like I got something caught here. Yeah, I'm not sure how I did that burnout before. I'm not able to reproduce it now. That was pretty interesting. Trying this little dirt area here. And no trouble with the dirt here, gripping that. Nice soft tires. Oh, I think the battery is dead. Yep. So that's going to do it for this one. Pretty good runtime for a small battery. Yes, this one's a lot of fun for $50. I think I got maybe 10 minutes of runtime on this one. So, small battery. Obviously going all out, going crazy on the throttle. So can't complain too much about this. It doesn't flip over, which is good. I low center of gravity, so I think it's gonna be better for kids. Not gonna be flipping over all the time. So overall, I think it's a pretty good model. I can recommend it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.